Are you a blogger, influencer, YouTuber, or marketer looking to earn some extra cash? This is the easiest way to earn $1,700 or more per month as an affiliate. This is how it works. Get your own unique referral link to promote on any digital platform. To refer homeowners looking for roofing repair or replacement services to Viking Contractors. For every inspection booked, you get $100. If the service is completed, you get an additional $300. And for every 3 roofing jobs closed, you get an extra $500. As an affiliate for Viking Contractors, you'll be partnering with the top roofing contractor in the Twin Cities metro area. Viking Contractors, LLC is a GAF-certified local roofing contractor with years of industry experience and knowledge in restoring damaged roofs. We have a high reputation with over 400-plus raving homeowner reviews across Google, Home Advisor, BBB, Facebook, and Angie's List. Check out how to get started with the affiliate program. Click the link given below and fill out the application form. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a unique referral link and access to our affiliate dashboard. Start making money today with the affiliate program that really rewards generously.